Alright, I wanted to do this video to show everybody that these cheap Chinese tire machines that you get from overseas, they will actually perform just like one of your more expensive machines. This is a 13-inch tire. I bought the wrong profile. It's actually a 60 instead of a 70, so they're super hard to get on these rims. I'm going to show you just how easy it is with one of these Chinese machines and the adapter arms. If you guys want me to do a wheel balancer review, let me know, and I'll do that as well. But bear with me. I got one hand. I'm going to try and do a top view for you guys. Popped it on with ease, so we'll go around, put this one on, now moving the other arm over into place, and I'll show you guys that once I get it down. Alright, so I got a low profile arm in place, several different adapters on there. Just pushing down on it and we'll see what happens. And there she goes, right on there. Let's get the arm out of the way. It even comes with a nice little digital air gauge here. So it'll light up blue when you're using it. It's not the best air gauge, but it came with the tire machine. There's the bead setting. And that is the review on the tire machine. There's many other features, but as I said, super easy to use. And for about a third of the price, if you're using it at home or even in a small shop, it's absolutely wonderful. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Until next time.